We'll explore Tursio's integration with MS Excel. Let's start by using the Tursio banking tool. We'll look at the top 10 zip codes by total account balance. The cells in the table on the left are updated with the zip code, total balance, account count, and average balance per account. Now let's pull the delinquency rates for these zip codes into an additional column. Looks like these zip codes have a 100% delinquency rate, which seemed suspicious, so we pulled a deeper delinquency rate to investigate further. After comparing the data, we can confirm that every member account in the zip has at least one delinquency flagged. The column on the left shows the delinquency rate. Now let's add one more column with average income levels for each of these zip codes, using knowledge from the web. It's confirming the approach to handle this. Now it's identifying the zip codes for the PO box and looking up income through mapping. It also explains why this is taking longer and provides more reliable figures. Finally, it works out the complete figures and adds the median household income to the table. Now let's plot the total balance and median income for each zip code on a chart. A chart is added below the table for easy visualization. Thus, we see how Tursio makes it easy to pull data from your core platforms and SQL databases right the familiar Excel for analysis. Thanks for watching.